Hey guys, I am at Lowe's and I have a Lowe's money saving plant tip for you today. So if you are shopping at Lowe's and you notice that one of their plants is in distress, what I mean by distress is there's broken foliage, there's wilted foliage, there is just any number of things going on with that plant, you can ask for a discount, and typically they will mark it down half off for you right then and there. All you have to do is show them the plant, show them that it's in distress, and they will go ahead and mark it down. Let me show you what I got today. So I was able to get 2 philodendron brandies. These guys were showing lots of distress. So here's what I mean. Foliage hanging down, branches broken, yellow leaves. Where's that yellow leaf? Dead yellow leaves. These are the kind of things that they mark down for. Wilting. You've got some wilt here, some damaged foliage, dead foliage in here. Just like that. So just take that plant to one of the workers, usually in the garden center, and tell them, ask them, can you mark this down? This plant is in distress. They'll take a look at it and then they'll mark it down for you. This also works for garden plants, house plants, anything that is living. If it is in distress, they will mark it down for you. All right, guys, happy gardening. Bye.